Hai, nama saya Abdul Muiz.
Hai, nama saya Muhammad Abdullah.
Hi, hello, I'm Zaini.
Nama saya Ashraf Izzairi bin Abdul Hafiz.
Guru besar saya, the headmaster, dia mengajak saya pergi ke satu program ni, iaitu membaiki laptop dan phone di APR Electronic.
It's a program where you learn how to repair, troubleshoot phone and laptop. I have learned about repair, replace parts from phone, laptops, and also learn about the components inside the phone and laptops.
APR Electronic Service yang berada di Shah Alam. Khusus ni banyak memberikan saya experience yang baru. Cara nak repair SSD, motherboard, touchpad dan sebagainya lah.
Banyak experience saya dapat lah daripada situ dan belajar benda-benda yang orang lain tak boleh buat.
Apabila saya membuat kesalahan, mereka akan menunjukkan cara yang betul supaya dapat membaiki barang tersebut.
Mula-mula saya rasa susah lah sebab tak mungkin lah saya akan berjaya lah untuk cuba repair handphone dengan laptop.
The company is very systematic and it's easy for me to follow the flow. I am happy with the company and my colleagues is very helpful and they taught me a lot.
Banyak bantulah di situ, saya ingat saya Muhammad berasa bahagia dan best di sana.
Untuk program ni saya rasa program yang paling best. Program ini dianjurkan oleh Mr. Denny, my boss.
Saya ingin berterima kasih kepada Mr. Denny.
Very thankful for him because he really wanted us to learn something. He wanted us in the future help the society.
I would like to say thank you to Mr. Danny because give me the opportunity to learn from the company. Thank you for teaching me in something that I don't know and I really appreciate everyone in the company.
Terima kasih untuk Mr. Denny. Siapa yang ingin mencuba khusus ni boleh contact Mr. Denny.
I just want to say, if you have a talent out there, don't waste it. Use and show them your skills. Maybe one day people will appreciate your skills.